Good day everyone, how are you all today? Welcome to another video. My name is Hussein and I'm back again to bring you all some of the weekly updates and what are the most interesting topics actually happening within this particular few days. First of all, today is 28th of October. We are just a little bit more, a couple of days away from the presidential election announcement, right, which is going to be elected on November 3rd. All right, so for that part we will keep on going with our discussions, but first of all I would like to share with you an interesting opportunity that is actually happening right now that actually brought investors' eyes on, and it is a good time for you to join the rally. I would like to talk about Bitcoin and other digital currencies peaked in late 2017, as we saw in the history before, when the price of the crypto's leader, which is Bitcoin right in front of me, was actually reached all the way up to about somewhere around about 19 to 20,000. Okay, so now the market cap, at that time the market cap of all cryptocurrencies climbed to a high of about 800 billion and looked like it was the only matter of time until it reached the $1 trillion mark. That, however, has yet to occur, as those high levels were not sustained. As you could see from here, Bitcoin dropped all the way back. Last week we saw that the market cap was approaching to a 400 billion level, right? So the Bitcoin had been trading on the other side of about $10,000. Like if you see, as for now, it is trading somewhere around 13,700 level, right? So the price consolidated at its mid levels between the 6 cents of about the levels of 2010 and then 20,000 level in 2017. So in the late in the week, we saw that the Bitcoin has actually already, like I just mentioned earlier, trading in this particular zone, right? So SQ invest about 15 million in Bitcoin recently, as we also saw as well. The PayPal also endorsed Bitcoin to be their payment gateway and so on. So the CFTC in the United States classifies digital currencies as commodities. Great news. So while the raw material assets class tends to be the most volatile, cryptocurrencies have displayed an even higher level of price variance over the past years. Alright, so the trading at just 6 cents per token in 2010 and in 2017, Bitcoin soared to the level of 20,000. Right, that's what we saw in 2017, somewhere in December, right? So now the question here is that where is Bitcoin heading for as for now? All right, this is our fundamental perspectives review. You see, Square High-Tech Payments and also Point of Sale Solutions company announced that it purchased about 4,709 Bitcoins worth of 15 million. So the average price was just below $10,000, 620 per token early. This is why the price has actually soared. So now, what are we going to expect next? Basically, obviously, the most important indicator that we use is to actually see with the help of price action analysis, right? So what I'm going to do is that, guys, I'm going to make give you a major. See, currently it is also breaking this previous resistance zone, but for me, I love drawing patterns, and I love the idea of understanding the charts with the help of price action analysis, because that gives us a clear picture on what's going on. All right, so first of all, let's just see here, right? Okay, then I'm going to connect this together, make it a bit nicer perhaps. Let me just do it 1 second. Okay, so if you see from here, guys, that's what it means. Bitcoin has broken this major this triangular resistance, and then if you see from here, it broke this. Usually the concept of support and resistance, it have came back to retest this particular level, guys, this level. Now I see the future for the Bitcoin is to the upside. Nothing is stopping it, because it is a major breakout that we are seeing right now. Okay, so it's a great buying opportunity for you. Okay, and you can actually, this could be your intraday, I mean not intraday, swing targets level, if let's say you plan to hold, then I see that for the next couple of months Bitcoin will be reaching to these zones. There could be a bit of correction will be happening. Let's just say if you go into the short time frames, let me give you a better view on this, but this is a confirmation, guys. This is a great confirmation. It will perhaps start to, you know, trend to do like this, or this. It could be whatever pattern, and this. All right, but what I see is that the room is opening up to the upside. It has already, you know, opened this door from this particular level. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to go into on a shorter time frames, whereby we can actually find you some opportunity. If let's say a short-term trader with the proper stop loss and TP levels, as you could see here, the price has gone out of this rectangle that I'm talking about. Hang on a minute, 1 second, let me just do it again. Here we go. If you see from here, right, look at that. So this is a buy signal, right? This could be an entry over here, okay, because in many situations what it could actually do is that usually it can also come back and retest, you know, perhaps a little bit more up, then come back, and then you can buy back. But you see the signals are all buy. So if you're still looking for a quick short-term investment, as for now, I would highly recommend you to actually go for Bitcoin, because it is giving us all buy signals. And as well as if you see from here on the second side, you see, because I always like to draw support and resistance, so whereby it gives me a clear understanding to find the good direction. And so from here, if you see, you see it is giving all kind of support. You see, there could be two situations, right? What happens if this is going to come back from here? Let's just see from here all the way back, right? It is still gonna be a buying opportunity, because we are looking at a bigger picture, right, from the investment point of view. So see from here, and then when I connect these levels, right, where it has been a previous wait a moment, where it has been a previous you know, resistance, and even though you could actually draw it like this as well on a daily chart. All right, so any pullback, guys, this is going to be a great buying opportunity for you, because Bitcoin is actually trending up right now. It can actually also pull back, which is a very fine thing to notice in any financial markets instrument. Just give me a moment. I need to clear this. Okay, right, once again, there you go. So you see, from this zone to this, that's what I'm looking at. All right, so from here, let me make it a bit more better clear to connect these highs together to look at this channel, right? So from here, there is a possibility that it's going to pull back, right? But then again, overall, it is a buy, because it has cleared this path of coming out of this, you know, like I mentioned earlier, this particular zone. You see, it is already out. It is developing a new uptrend. While it can also pull back to somewhere around 11,000 or so, but it is a buying opportunity. We recommend you not to miss it. And this was what many investors has been waiting for. What is the future for the Bitcoin? So any pullback, you are going to buy this. All right. Now, guys, on the other hand, looking at the stock market, as you see that the rising COVID-19 cases, and as well as even not only in US, as well as in Europe too, right? Market has been under pressure, like I was talking about it yesterday, that we can expect Dow Jones to come back. See, look at that, it has already done it. Now this is a critical zone, okay? So from here, if you connect this is reaching to a very major support, right? So we got to monitor this closely, and then we see what will it do. So for now, why we are not recommending too much on to buy positions, because we want election to be over, and then after that we will get in to maximize our profits. All right, guys. So as for today, that's all for today's update. Our eyes on Bitcoin. If let's say some of you would like to diversify your portfolios and to grab that opportunity, will be a good choice. For now, I'll be signing off. I'll be seeing you guys during our London session forecast. Till then, take care and have a great trading day. Bye bye.